Yo! Starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Taco Bell. This one's going 6.5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn? Hi, how can I help you?
Good morning.
Morning.
Sorry, we're all kind of dragging ass. It was a busy night last night.
You're all good.
Where is that? Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
At least she's honest, I guess. They were dragging their feet. Took me maybe 10 minutes to get to the restaurant and another 10 minutes waiting at the drive-thru window. I was the only person there. Good thing we're on Earn by Time, I guess. Oh my goodness. Scared me. Total for that order was $12. Next up, we've got an even worse order. This is Donut Nook going across the river. This one is going, I think it said 9 miles. I've got this feeling that like these orders don't even exist. Like these are made up orders by DoorDash. Because I don't really believe someone's ordering donuts from that far away. There's gotta be at least 10 other donut shops closer to you. Thank you. Total for that order was $12 and change. Also took forever. That's a dead end. Love that for me. Finally got the next order. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got Jack in the Box and Black Rock Coffee going just under 5 miles. Okay, lobby's supposed to be open. What are the odds that it's actually open? 7:10. And in the time that I did that, somebody snuck in the drive-thru before me. Amazing.
Hi, go ahead whenever you're opening. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Total for that stack was $11. Next up, got another stack. This one is Kitchen Table Cafe and Pete's Coffee going about 7.5 miles.
There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Total for that order was $16. I was a little worried I wasn't going to get an order on the way back to my zone. Well, I guess technically this is still the zone, but it's like really far away from the busy area. This one is Los Bros Taco Shop. This is going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was just under $7, and we're heading right back to Los Bros Taco Shop. This one's going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was just under $10. Very nice. Probably the best order we've had today. Finally got the next order after like 15 minutes. It's been a long time. This is a McDonald's going about 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's no tip. Very nice. Very, very nice. Total for that was $5. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one's going under 4 miles. Thank you. Hello. Total for that order was $7. Well, this is a first. I think I'm going the wrong way, actually. I don't think there's an entrance on this side. Ooh, that sucks. Anyways, this is a Golden Corral. I didn't know they had DoorDash at Golden Corral, but this one is going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. It says leave on top of the recycling bin and ring doorbell. Total for that order was $8 and change. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles. Total for that order was $8. Next up is Burgerville, going 2 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $6, and I am gonna call it here. Current time is 10:17. Total ended up with 103. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.